This video is to help you walk through the directions you have for the sim. And also, if you're someone who Amplify is not letting you log in for some reason, you can just watch this whole video and it should kind of help you answer the questions still in your lesson. It said open the sim, so you should already have this open. Go ahead and click region 2. It tells you to set up rock so that it will be added to the edges of both plates or so that a plate will sink into the mantle. So the one thing you need to know about the map view is that this green line is your plate boundary. The main thing you're going to be looking at is what's happening to the Earth's crust here in the cross-section view after we play around with setting the boundary. I'm going to add some continents on here. You don't necessarily need to for the directions, or just add some rock. You can see how that builds up there. And then it says set the boundary type. So we're going to kind of play around with this. I'm going to try a convergent boundary first. And then I'm going to press run. So what's happening is this plate boundary is moving. You'll see this down here in the cross-section view over millions and millions of years. What I want you to do is you might replay that part for a little bit of the video to figure out what's happening to the crust of the Earth, the rock here. Is it sinking into the mantle and getting destroyed, or is it being added to? I'm going to reset the sim and run it with a different type of plate boundary. We set that as convergent first. Let's try setting it as a divergent plate boundary. We know the motion is different at a divergent plate boundary, so let's see what happens. Watch the cross-section carefully and see what's happening to the rock at the Earth's surface. Is there more being added, or is it sinking underneath and being destroyed into the mantle at a divergent plate boundary? So you should see how those two differ. The sim's about finished. And what you can do is go ahead and answer those questions that follow up with this lesson if you haven't already.